All right, let's go ahead and I'm going to take the seat off. Looks like it's just a couple of cotter pins. All right, there's one. Okay, got the seat off. Still got pretty good lettering on the back. And now we can get this all cleaned up too, you know. Let's put this aside. What I really want to try and do is get the battery out. It's right here. Just so I can check the size and everything. I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to get a new one. There we go. Okay. Let's take this off. Bolt back. Need to screw back in there just so we don't lose it, you know. He had these wires on here so he could charge the battery up when it was dead without having to take everything apart, you know, and get to it. It's a pretty good idea. Okay, we can pull this up. I'm not sure how this comes out of here easily. This is the whole battery box. Does it just twist around there and come out? There's something there, I don't know where that came from. Let's take this off. Okay. Got this part off. I think it would slide out, but it doesn't look like it. I have to take the fender off. Get it off here. And just slide out of the battery box. Maybe that's what it is. It's clamped on down here. Let's try that. Yeah, there we go. There we go. I actually got this in Napa. So maybe I'll just take this down to Napa in town here and just see how much it is for a replacement. Okay. All right, what next? Alright, now let's take off the exhaust pipe. Probably would have been easier to get the battery out if I took the exhaust pipe off first. Not sure though. Anyway, we'll get started here. Okay, that's all loose. Let's take the front piece off. On the front, I noticed this is the pipe here. It's got these springs connected to it. So I'm gonna have to pull these off. I'll get that one. And then this bolt here. It's like in there, really. It's like in a tight spot. So it's gonna take me a little bit to get this off here. It's coming. It's just too close to get this end on, you know? Almost got it though. It's loose enough. There we go. Alright, now we got this off. Now we gotta do the other side. Slightly more room on this side. It's ready to come off. Okay, got that. One thing I did want to make sure to do is keep everything organized. So I got just a bunch of sandwich bags from the dollar store. These are all the little nuts and bolts that went with the seat, battery, oil line, and the battery line. And I got this one for the exhaust, all this little stuff. That way I don't have to search for nothing when I'm putting it back together. And I'm going to take this off. Because I want to polish this thing all up, you know. So we got the nut, the bolt, I mean, washer, and then there's a little spacer. Keep all this stuff together. Have to get some chrome polish and polish this all up. This looks in pretty good shape. I think it just needs a good cleaning. I could still see the lettering on there. Model numbers and stuff. That's pretty cool. And then all this stuff goes in the toolbox, and then I'll put it in a different drawer and organize it later. Alright, let's see what's next.